As automakers are rolling out more and more EVs, they need their dealers to be ready to sell and service them. So we've known this for a while, but now dealers are really preparing for it.
That's our automotive news reporter, Hannah Lutz, talking about installing electric vehicle chargers. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Laura Harris. Installing these chargers at dealerships is proving to be complicated, costly, and cumbersome. Depending on the brand, there are different requirements. Dealers are learning that there is no one-size-fits-all solution. The cost is high, and the process is time-consuming. Lutz says there's no way to speed up the process now.
But something dealers can do just to be prepared for the future is when they go through this construction, add some lines, add some ways to make expanding power supply later much easier.
There are problems with utilities and city planning departments, and the technical nature of installing chargers at a commercial scale is beyond some people's expertise. And level 2 versus level 3 chargers are different to install.
But for the fast chargers, the level 3, the dealers often have to dig through pavement. They might have to go through their parking lot or a public road to install another transformer to support that level of power. So they're working with, that physical challenge of the infrastructure.
Everybody is on a learning curve, and the process is a balancing act between finding the right vendors and right solutions. Sorting through automaker requirements to land on one cost-effective solution has worn out dealers.
What is wearing them down, though, is the process of getting this done and the requirements that don't quite match up from brand to brand and automaker to automaker.
Dealers must coordinate with the local power company, the automaker's preferred vendors for EV chargers, and a certified installer. Coordination can take up to 9 months. Plus, dealers have to wait for electric components to become available.
Right now is probably the hardest part because everybody is still figuring it out. Once there is more of a process, it should be a speedier development.
But when it comes to the future,
every dealer I talked with and the consultants who work with the dealers, they all told me that they are really ready and excited to sell EVs.
Thank you so much to Hannah for taking the time to speak with us. To read more on her story, go to autonews.com. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AutoNewsTV and online at autonews.com for updates from our reporters all day, every day. I'm Laura Harris. Have a great night, and I'll see you all next time.